1 in the morning, 3 days before the car needs to be finished, and we literally just got the parts back. Sometimes things are out of your control, and you just do what you can, but I've been doing a lot of pacing. Tell me the bad news first.
Oh, the wing's coming tomorrow.
Everyone's still here. It's nighttime. We're all tired. Not as tired as James, because James been working all night long.
Hello. Sorry, I'm on the phone. What time is it? I don't care.
This program has been something that the whole race service team has been working deeply on for the last 12 to 18 months. Race service has always stood at the center point of connecting culture with motorsport, and this program really defines that. We were looking for a moment that really pinpoints what that would look like, connecting motorsport with different aspects of culture such as art, fashion, music, lifestyle, entertainment, and looking at Los Angeles as the perfect location to launch this program and have a big reveal moment with the GT3 car.
The whole reason we're doing this is to explore materials, materialism, to highlight the materials at their best. We are stripping back all of the paint as much as possible to celebrate the materials that this car has been made out of, the technical excellence of the materials that the car is made out of.
Look, it's official. It has the AMG Motorsport tag on it. Official partners. This little tag means a lot to us.
So Race Service and AMG, together we are making a collection of 8 different pieces. Each piece is either an exploration of color and or of material.
Car crew been up all night long. Content crew got here at 6 a.m. ready to rock, but they're still finishing the car.
We realized that, unfortunately, we're finding more and more parts that we're missing right now. So we have to problem solve, like every step of this project, like any project, like any good project or any good thing, you have to go through the equal amount of challenge. And yeah, we're just being tested at the 11th hour.
Stopped by here to help these guys out to get the car ready. All right.
The most capable person here.
The number one thing I think you need to look at is the missing skid plates.
I don't know, maybe just use like wood, some kind of wood or something for now.
We're gonna cut up some skateboards and put them under the spoiler so that we have some skid plates.
And it actually works out perfect because it's like curved in the front. Gotta cut it out, shape it, and drill some holes. Oh, look at that. Skateboard, skid plate.
Good job, dude.
Yeah, what do you think? What do you think?
I think I could do kickflips all day long now.
We are going to be focusing on like a heritage piece of motorsport and looking back in history and looking at physical pieces and allowing people to have that tangible access. So whether you're new to motorsport or not, you'll see these pieces and you'll notice that they're a reference to an important piece of history.
Yeah.
Personally, I love when bib shows up, and this is one of my favorite bib expressions.
The GT3 Raw Spec and the Materialism program in partnership with AMG Motorsport is launching on February 29th at Felix Art Fair in the Roosevelt Hotel. It's going to be open to the public with fair ticket access from Friday, Saturday through to Sunday. This will really allow the opportunity for people to come and experience what we've curated and built, and also be able to see the car. Part of the intention around the program after the debut is to also activate trackside. It's not only going to be a vehicle for us to disrupt the art world and the fashion world, but also to disrupt the motorsport space. It really takes the whole team and everyone's efforts to make everything a reality. James has had this vision for his whole life, that he's wanted to build a program that really brings motorsport to culture, and that has been, you know, the foundation of race service.
Right. This is how we bring motorsport to the world in the most authentic way we know how.
stunning.
It's in the details. You can feel it if things are done right, and that's what James did on this.
This thing is badass. Damn!
History in the making right here. Holy shit.